Hello! In this video, I will give an overview of IBM Cloud. For you to understand a little bit about how the IBM Cloud portal works. So let's go. The first point it's important for us to understand is that whenever we enter the IBM Cloud, right, we usually come here and go to cloud.ibm.com and then it will ask for the login and password you enter with the user you created. We will always see this tab bar here, which is extremely important for you to understand. So it has my little photo, my notifications, but here it's important for us to understand which account we are on. When we create an account on IBM Cloud, for the first time, it only comes with one account here. So it comes with the IBM account or your default account. In this case, here I have several accounts in my IBM Cloud account, and I will select an account that we have for quoting, which is an account that we always use as default when we enter IBM Cloud because it has the standard prices, the list prices, okay? But this point here is super important for us to understand. Then basically when I'm in the account, I can see the notifications I have for this account. It will show me all the notifications. So if I have services associated with this account, it will show me all the services and the impacts related to this account. Both coming back here within IBM Cloud, another super important point we see here is the docs section. Okay, so if I go to cloud.ibm.com, which is this link up here, I am in IBM's Cloud. If I want to go to documents, I click here on docs. It automatically goes to the address cloud.ibm.com/docs. Here, basically we have all the training official material within IBM Cloud. What are these trainings? They are the tutorials. So we have a section of updated tutorials for us to work with IBM Cloud. We have all the product documentation for IBM Cloud here. So I can come here, search for a term, and it will find it. So this site, cloud.ibm.com docs, is the official documentation. So going back to the portal, here I am on the portal. What else do I have here?
Another very important point is the support part.
So any questions, any point you have that you need help with, you can use the IBM Cloud support here. So we have a community here on Stack Overflow, and we have a number you can call. Remember that the IBM Cloud support is global. You need to write in English to contact support. Here, I can talk to an agent, create a case here. Here, I have a notification, okay, a notice. So probably an important notice for me, notice that the account is divided into widgets, right? So here I have some information. Each of these little squares are the widgets of my account. Going back to my main account, here I have two super important items of the account. One is how do I navigate to the account? I have two ways. First, I have the hamburger menu, which is this one here, or through the catalog. These are the two options for me to access the IBM Cloud service. So in the hamburger menu here, the first one, look, it already shows me some categories that I have. Classic infrastructure, Cloud Foundry, Code Engine. So I have several things here in this hamburger menu, which I can close and click here on catalog as well. So in the catalog here, I will get to know all the services of IBM Cloud. So basically, this is the structure for you to know the basics of IBM Cloud. An interesting point for us to see here is there is the Manage section. The Manage section is basically where I manage my account. So here are details of my account. Here I have my bill and my usage. Here I can select Configure Catalogs. Here I have the corporate part of my account. Security access. Here I have my access, the IAM within the account. I also have the contact base restriction part and also the security compliance center. These items here are the main ones for us to understand an IBM Cloud account.